Okay, so today guys, we're going to review the MuscleNation Casein custard. So, I have done a review of this this product already. The product is insane. However, we have got a new flavour which I haven't tried, just been delivered. Fresh off the line, chocolate banana MuscleNation Casein custard. So in terms of this macronutrient breakdown, this is a superb product I like to use pre-bed because it's casein protein, it's slow digesting. In terms of serving size, 2 scoops is 1 serving. However, being bigger than the average human, I will use 2 servings, so it's actually 4 scoops. So 4 scoops equates to just over 50 grams of protein and 290 calories, and it's around 11 grams of carbohydrates, so very good in that respect. So in terms of making the casein custard, I've now got this down to a fine art after various mishaps. So what we must do, God, we'll keep that on camera. That's not how you open a tub of protein. Just throw half of it down yourself. But we will pretend that did not happen. So, 1 scoop, 2 scoops. So that would be 1 normal serving. But we're going to go for 4 scoops because we want 50 grams of protein. 3, 4. Now, water-wise, you want to add about 300 to 400 mils of water. So what I like to do is slowly add some in, and then mix it a bit, and you'll see it will thicken. Let's add some more in. I tell you what, I can smell the banana from this massively. A bit of liquid. Let's give it a little stir. So that's all now mixed in, thickened up. Got a bit of an arm pump now. Got half of it down me, but that's mixed. It tastes phenomenally good. But this is also my second secret after becoming a custard veteran. So what you need to do with this is put it in the fridge for 5 minutes and then come back and it will set harder, thickened even more. So we can chuck this in the fridge for a bit and then come back. So, we've now got casein custard. You can see that's thickened up loads already. So, spoon test. It's got good solidity. Taste test is very banana-y. Yeah, very nice. I still think I prefer the vanilla, but this is a very nice alternative. Particularly if you like, I don't know what it reminds me. It reminds me of some sort of kids' sweets, but it's very, very nice. What I'd recommend you could also add in with something like this, which is a healthy treat, a healthy way to add carbohydrates, is some form of frozen fruits, frozen blueberries, or pineapple chunks are the favourite of mine. But I would highly recommend giving the chocolate banana great tasting flavour, and it's a great alternative for something to have which is slow digesting protein-wise pre-bed. As always, if you use code Charlie, we'll give you 10% off the MuscleNation website off your casein custard. Hit the link in the summary if you want to grab any of yours. If you've got any questions or anything else in the range, drop me a comment below.